How to fix missing chat history sync now messenger error on your messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the missing chat history error on your messenger. So let us begin. First, open up a messenger. After you open it up, you will see the three horizontal lines on the top left. Tap on it and go to the settings. After you're on your settings, you will see privacy and safety option here. Tap on it. And after you're on the privacy and safety section, you will need to go to the security section here. This is the security one. Now here, go to end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on it and go to security alerts. Now under this, tap on manage security alerts and make sure all of the buttons are turned on. After you do that, you can go back to the security section again, and under security section you will see safe website browsing. Now make sure that this is turned on as well, and after you do that, simply go to your app store. You can go to your Google Play Store too, it's the same, and search for Messenger. After you search for it, open it up, and if you see an update available, tap on update and your messenger will get updated, and that will basically fix the problem. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching guys, that is all. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye, take care.